everybody, this is me Chetan. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm creating this look which is appropriate for any wedding function like mehndi, sangeet or maybe reception. So if you would like to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Before putting my makeup on, I am preparing my skin with Garnier moisturizer. I've been using this moisturizer since a while. It has a water-based consistency and it will help you to hydrate your skin throughout the day without leaving your skin sticky or oily. After that, I am using here a L'Oreal eye cream to hydrate my under eye skin. So today I'm using two different primer for my skin. So the first one is I'm going to use In Color Absolute Primer SPF 15 oil free long lasting base. I'm going to put it all over my face to create a base. This will smooth everything out and you will find that your foundation applies a very smooth. And the second one is from ELF Poreless Primer. It will help you to blur out the fine lines and also minimize the pores around your nose. This will help you to keep your makeup long lasting. For my eyebrow, I'm using dark shade from Maybelline 24 palette using an angled brush. Here I'm keeping my eyebrow very minimal and very simpler. I'm just filling in these parts area. Next, I'm using LA Pro Concealer to clean up my eyelids and also prep my eyelid for my eye makeup. Here I'm using a light beige shade from the same Maybelline palette to perfectly set the concealer. For my eyes, I'm using transition color from ELF Pink palette over the crease of my eyelid so that all color will blend together. For adding little dimension to my eyes, I'm using a dark purple color from the same palette. I'm just putting it outer corner of my eyes and blending it towards the inner corner. And also slightly blending all the harsh edges with a fluffy brush. For my eyelid, I'm using a little pink shimmery color again from the same palette. I'm just packing half of the eyelid and smudging towards the outer corner so that all color blend together. This shimmery shade is beautiful for wedding function. I really like how this eye makeup turned out, and I really feel that this can go with any kind of ethnic dress. And also I'm adding a little illuminator to my brow bone area just to highlight a little bit more. For my wing eyeliner, I'm using the Lakme Absolute Eyeliner. This is in the shade of a black. I'm a little slow with liquid eyeliner, but I gradually build up my wing until I'm happy with that. For my eyelashes, I'm using the Colossal Volume Express from Maybelline. This is kind of my favorite one. This will give you a volume to your eyelashes if you don't like to wear extra eyelashes. I'm also giving a hint of a glitter to my eyelid from the Wet n Wild Glitter Singer palette with the pink shade. This is kind of easiest way to apply glitter because it has glue in it. You just need to put it directly and you are good to go. By using Maybelline concealer with the shade number 45, I'm going to color correct in areas where I have dark spots, dark patches and dark circle. This concealer has orange in color, which helps you to cancel out the grayish skin tone that will give you a natural base where you can apply concealer or foundation to brighten up your skin tone without looking ashy. For my face, I'm going to use my favorite foundation with the shade number 43.5, and I will blend everything with the help of a foundation brush. And also I'm going to slightly dust up some loose powder on top of foundation by using a Maybelline loose powder with the shade number medium. Next, I'm going to highlight my under eye area with the LA Pro concealer with the shade number medium base. To add some structure to my face, I'm going to use Shivana palette to contour my face. For blush, I'm going to use e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick with shade Sparkling Rose. And for highlighting at the highest point of my face, I'm going to use Wet n Wild highlighter palette. This color is very pigmented, so I am using my finger to apply over the cheekbone area and bridge of the nose. For the lip color, I'm going to mix these two colors. The first one is from Maybelline with the name Touch of Spice. And the second one from Nika with the shade number 04. Moving back to my eye makeup, for tightline my lower waterline, I'm using my all-time favorite Lakme Iconic Kajal. Next, I'm going to use a dark purple color from the same e.l.f. eye palette to smoke out my lower lash line by using a fluffy brush. For brighten up my eyes a little bit more, I'm using a Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight corner of my eyes. At the end, I'm using a setting spray to set my all makeup. This will help you to keep your makeup long lasting. So here is the final look, you guys. I hope you like this video, and if you really, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook page, where I always update you my upcoming post. The product which I have used here in this video, I am going to update it in the description box. And if you're new to my channel, please consider me to subscribe my channel. I make a video on fashion, makeup, skincare and DIY for room decor. And also don't forget to click that bell icon which will notify you whenever I upload a new video. So that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you.